front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Start by opening Play Store and getting this free app, DevCheck device and system info from Flare2 developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Quick tip, go back into dashboard and click on all of those options here. Not only to read more about the chosen one, but also because by tapping on settings at the bottom right corner of each of those pop-ups, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings. You can also do that by clicking on gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!